We have two online 18th edition courses for you to choose from. Our most popular is the full 18th edition course. This covers the whole of the 18th edition from cover to cover, and for those who passed the 17th edition to Amendment 3, which was the 2015 Yellow Book, we have a shorter 18th edition update course covering just the changes introduced by the 18th edition. If the 17th edition is not fresh in your memory, then I really recommend completing the full 18th edition course, as whichever one you choose, you will be taking the full 60 question exam based on the whole of the book when you sit your exam at one of our 35 plus UK exam venues. Before we get to your exam, we need to make sure you are ready to pass. So on your course, I'll show you the key points, the important regulations, as well as the regular exam favourites you'll need to know. This is done by following me through the book, going through each part together with a series of online video sessions that are available in your training area anytime you want, and they can be watched on any PC, Mac, laptop, tablet or smartphone. After each session, to help reinforce your 18th edition training, we have our specially written workbook exercises, all personally reviewed by me, and if you need any additional assistance, I'm more than happy to help you. You can also contact me by email anytime, and my mobile phone number is in your training area, so feel free to call or text 7 days a week, except obviously for Christmas Day and after 9 o'clock, etc. if you do get stuck. After we have finished going through the 18th edition wiring regulations together and completed your workbook exercises, you'll be ready for some exam practice. For this, we have 5 online multiple choice 18th edition practice exams, each one following the exact same format and question style as the most popular 18th edition exams. This way, you can be sure that when you get to your final exam, you'll know what to expect and you'll be prepared to pass. We've removed a lot of the pressure, inconvenience and cost of the traditional classroom 18th edition course. There's no more head spinning, speed highlighting mad dashes through the book, as you can now take all the time you need to prepare to pass. And if you need any more time, that's not a problem, just ask. It's all online with my full support and assistance whenever you need it, 7 days per week. My name is Chris Wilkinson, a fully qualified and experienced electrician and tutor with over 36 years on tools and 10 years teaching, and I know how important it is to pass the 18th edition exam. So why risk failing? Join me here at theregs.co.uk on my 18th edition online training course. Everyone has passed in the first year and we will give you your money back if you don't. Take your first step to passing the 18th edition today. It takes less than 5 minutes to get started. Just complete the online student registration to get access to your student only area where you can select and purchase the 18th edition training option you need. For more information on our 18th edition course, please take a look at our website at theregs.co.uk or feel free to contact us on 0800 043 7671. The 18th edition is as good as passed at theregs.co.uk.